kinds of Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. He believed in truth and non-violence. Gandhiji played a big role in India's freedom struggle. He lived a very simple and honest life. On this day, schools and institutions organize programs. Children remember him through songs, speeches, and poems. Gandhi Jayanti teaches us the value of peace and unity. We should follow the path shown by Mahatma Gandhi.